Hey, I didn't tell you to get out of the car. Stop. Do you have your phone on you?
Don't touch me.
Do you have your phone on you?
Get your fucking hands off me.
Where's your phone?
Do not.
Where's your phone at?
Get do not touch me. Okay. Did I ever say you fucker do not touch me? Get his fucking hands off me. Get your fucking hands off me.
Cool out. Hey, if you keep resisting,
I'm gonna charge you with putting your fucking dirty ass hands on me.
Stop moving. Let him take off your watch.
You. You don't get to touch me. You are a disgusting piece of shit. The next time you fucking touch me.
Hey, get in the car.
Sit in the car.
No, he doesn't get to touch me.
Okay, sit in the car.
Follow. Use the words of what these are hands.
Hey, get in the car. If you don't, you're gonna get charged with obstructing. Get in the car.
If he touches me again.
Get in the car, Sean.
Get your fucking hands off me.
Sean, he's not even touching you. Get in the car.
Oh, but
I'm not touching you.
No, he's touched me.
Get in the car,
He's
Sean.
touched me way more times than appropriate.
Sean, get in the car.
Do you know what he's done?
Stop kicking us.
I'm gonna kick you right in the fucking
That's mean. Don't do that.
Motherfucker.
Hey, pull the hobble strap out the door.
That motherfucker has touched me more times than appropriate. Do you understand?
Everyone.
Do you understand how many fucking times he's touched me?